Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Kremchek from Beacon Orthopedics and Sports Medicine. Being a team physician for the Cincinnati Reds for the last 15 years, I obviously see a lot of patients with shoulder pain. Most of the time, patients with shoulder pain have some aspect of rotator cuff pathology. Not everybody has a tear. Most people don't. They have an inflammation, bursitis, tendonitis, and these are things that we can deal with in the office and a little bit of physical therapy and get you back to your sport, your work, or the activity that you like to perform. But sometimes you do tear your rotator cuff, and rotator cuff pain can be very disabling, very difficult to not only play with, but also to work with. The rotator cuff is actually made up of 4 muscles, and it surrounds the shoulder. There's a subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and a teres minor. And these muscles actually all contract and hold the shoulder in position. So the rotator cuff muscles actually stabilize the shoulder. We call it a dynamic stabilization. And they work in sequence together to actually allow the shoulder to move to the side, forwards, and backwards. When you tear your rotator cuff, it can be very painful. Painful with overhead activities, normal day-to-day activities, sleeping on your shoulder, and typically it just doesn't get better with non-operative approach. We fix this now through the arthroscope. Now some people still make an incision and fix it, but I've been fixing this through the microscope or the arthroscope since 1996. Since 1996, I've done over 3,000 operations arthroscopically on a rotator cuff and have been able to devise techniques and improve techniques over the last 15 years so patients have less pain, earlier function, earlier motion, and hopefully a good result. With this knowledge and the experience since 1996, we've been able to have surgeons that come to our center here at Beacon Orthopedics and learn our techniques so we can teach them to go back and do this arthroscopically. An arthroscopic approach to fix the rotator cuff, put it back in an anatomic position, can be a very difficult procedure. But having the experience that we have here, we can do this typically under 45 minutes, get the patient in physical therapy the next day. Our physical therapists also have a tremendous amount of experience with this procedure that allows patients, even though you're in a sling, to get their range of motion back, to get you back to work in a timely manner, to decrease your pain, increase your function, and ultimately get you back to doing what you want to do. If you have more questions about rotator cuff surgery or the arthroscopic approach to rotator cuff surgery, give us a call at Beacon Orthopedics at 513-354-3700 or look up more information here on our website.